This is how you can create a client portal for your Airtable base in under 1 minute. So I've got this Airtable base here. It's got contractors, work orders, properties, visits, and reports. So if I go back to CollabPortals, start the clock. So I'm going to click Add Portal, give it a name, select the Airtable base, property maintenance, select the user table, contractors, select the email field, and hit save. Okay, so this is the portal configuration. I'm going to upload a logo. I'm going to select an accent color. Okay, on the work orders page, I want users to edit records, but not create or delete. And then let's say they can view the title, but they can't edit it. And then on display, I want to lay this out as a nice kind of workflow Kanban view grouped by the status. Okay, on properties, let's say this is a gallery view. On visits, let's show the calendar view. And on reports, let's do a table view, but I'm going to turn off some of these fields on the table so they get a nice clean table with a few summary fields, and then they click onto the table for more details. Okay, so stop the clock. So that was 54 seconds. The portal is fully configured, so let's preview the portal using this tool so we can log in as one of our actual users and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the portal. So on work orders, we've got this kind of nice Kanban view. All of the records that they see here are only their own records. So it's the records that are linked to them as the user. So they're not seeing the whole base, they're just seeing their own records. So I can move the tickets around to change the status. I can click on them to view more details. And if I hit edit, you can see I can't edit the title because that's what we've configured. But I can see it. So on properties, we've got this gallery view with all these different houses, and I can click on them to see more. Visits, we've got this calendar view. You can toggle by week or month. You can drag them around to change the date, click on them to view more details. And on the reports view, we've got this kind of summary information, and then when I click on it, I can view the rest of the info. So if I just log out quickly to show you what they see when they land on the page, they get this nice kind of clean login page. They just put their email address in, they get emailed the code, and then they log in using the code. So they don't need a Airtable account at all. So yeah, that's it. That's CollabPortals. Give it a go, make a base, and let me know how you go on.